Okay, so page number 2. Sophie's Sophie's hopes for the winter were not very high. He was southern skies means it is the location of the place. You just find out where is this Madison Square. In which part of the continent, in which part of the world does Madison Square come? Okay. Exactly. So the same thing. All right, children, as you all might be seeing on screen that the screen is shared and it is and the screen is in recording mode. So yes, so I should teach also first, then we can take up the question and answers. So yesterday we had finished till the point, till this point, I guess. All right, now Soapy tries his luck twice again, but cops remain indifferent as ever. Soapy is suddenly reminded of his childhood home and mother and resolves to turn over a new leaf. Feeling a hand on his arm, Soapy turns around to see the broad face of a cop. Now, my children, these 3 bullets are highlights that what we are going to read in the coming paragraphs. All right, so these 3 things actually tell that now Soapy, after trying so many times, he is actually very sad, he is dejected and feeling very differently. And suddenly he is reminded of his childhood, right? So, what is there in his childhood that we all need to know and that the writer is also highlighting? Let us see. And feeling now, meanwhile, he is lost, he is thinking, he is down in the memory lane. है ना, उसका दिमाग वो पुरानी चीजें सोच रहा है. He is all of a sudden he started thinking about his childhood home, the place where he has grown up, and then the memories, the time spent with his mother. So he has somehow, what the second pointer says, he has somehow decided, okay, who is this laughing and giggling very much? Huh? A girl it is. Rachel Yadav. Thank you, Rachel, for switching off your camera and automatically presenting your name on screen. Very nice. आप लोग online classes में यही कर रहे हैं ना? And then when the teachers are pointing you out, no ma'am, yes ma'am, ma'am, earthquake has came ma'am, so it was not me ma'am. Next PTM में तो तुम मुझसे मिलके जाना. जरा माँ बाप को भी पता होना चाहिए ना कि आप लोग क्या करते रहते हैं ऑनलाइन क्लास में. Okay, Rachel? Rachel heard or not? Is she gone? बहुत बढ़िया. दोबारा से जब रेचल हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगी तो आप लोग बताएंगे, है ना? फिर हम लोग साथ में हम लोग कुछ कुक करेंगे टेस्टी. ऑल राइट. Then he came to another cop standing in front of a big theater. He thought of something else to try. Now his mind is again working for some other idea. Ki, okay, let me think some other way. He began to shout as if he had too much to drink. Now he's feeling very, very low. His voice was as loud as he could make it. He danced, he cried out. तो ये सारे जो behavioral pattern है, ये क्या बताते हैं कि सोफी बहुत disturbed था. He was not mentally well. He was feeling so low. Low means जब आपके marks या जब आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जब you're not feeling happy at all, you don't want to talk to anyone, you just prefer a corner, you do not want to come out, you don't want to eat, you don't want to go, anything. Everything is closed. Same is the case with Soapy. Now, and the cop turned his back to Soapy. Now there's a cop around him and said to a man standing near him, it's one of those college boys. He won't hurt anything. We have orders to let them shout. है ना? So now something is going on around him which actually reminds Soapy of his own old self. Soapy was quiet, right? He was quiet. Was no cop going to touch him? He began to think of the island as if it were as far away as a star. He pulled his thin coat around him. The wind was very cold. Then he saw a man in a shop buying a newspaper. The man's umbrella stood beside the door. Soapy stepped inside the shop, took the umbrella, and walked slowly away. So, this umbrella was of Soapy or of someone else? You people, you people are, you people are not reading as I am reading and explaining. You people are just sitting at your places and listening. Don't do like this. आप लोग उस टेक्स्ट को पढ़िए भी, मैं भी पढ़ रही हूँ और आपके सामने स्क्रीन प्रेजेंट हो रही है. आप लोग लाइंस में, आप लोग कहीं लॉस्ट हैं. थोड़ी सी एनर्जी और बचा के रखनी है अभी. So Soapy was quiet. Soapy was quiet. Was no cop going to touch him? He began to think of the island as if it were as far away as a star. He pulled his thin coat around him. The wind was very cold. Then he saw a man in a shop buying a newspaper. The man's umbrella stood beside the door. Soapy stepped inside the shop, took the umbrella, and walked slowly away. The man followed him quickly. My umbrella, he said. Oh, is it? Said Soapy. Why don't you call a cop? Who said this to whom? Soapy is saying this to the man. Why don't you call a cop? I took it. Your umbrella. मैंने तुम्हारा umbrella ले लिया है. Exactly. Soapy is provoking the man. Like, see, I have taken your umbrella now. Go, call the cop. What are you waiting? Why don't you call a cop? There is one standing at the corner. The man walked more slowly. Soapy did the same, but he had a feeling that he was going to fail again. Now Soapy was thinking that, man, I guess this plan is also not going to work for me. The cop looked at the two men. I, said the umbrella man. That is, you know how these things happen. If that's your umbrella, I am very sorry. I found it this morning in a restaurant. If you say it's yours, I hope you will. It's mine, cried Soapy with anger in his voice. Have you understood? It means the man who Soapy thought that the umbrella is of that man. Actually, that man was also a kind of thief. The umbrella was not belonging to him. He also took it in the morning from somebody else. Right? And now he thought that the person was actually Soapy. So he has found it again, and so Soapy is saying that this umbrella is his. Understood or not? So that's the yes. So that's the reason. Yes. That is why Soapy became sad again, and he almost cried. Cried Soapy. इसीलिए यहाँ पे राइटर ने लिखा है. Sorry. Say again. Please explain it again. Who is this boy? Who? Rudra, you read it. You read it on your own. And then you ask me. You have a book with you? Yes, I can see your book. So you lower down the pace of the camera or whatever gadget you're using for Microsoft Teams class. वॉल्यूम धीरे कर लो और तुम खुद से रीड करो और फिर तुम मुझे चैट सेक्शन में रिप्लाई करना. तब तक मैं आगे पढ़ाती हूँ. ओके? I'm here only. Silent reading is the best reading. All right. So now the umbrella man hurried away. The cop helped a lady across the street. Now the man, who is this umbrella man? he is the same man whom Soapy thought that he will call the police and the cop and finally he'll be in the prison. But actually he hurried away. वो जल्दी जल्दी चला गया. The cop helped a lady across the street. Soapy walked east. He threw the umbrella as far as he could throw it. He talked to himself about cops and what he thought of them. Because he wished to be arrested, they seemed to believe he was like a king who could do no wrong. At last, Soapy came to one of the quiet streets on the side of the city. He turned here and began to walk south toward Madison Square. He was going home, although home was only a seat in a park. But at a very quiet corner, Soapy stopped. Here was his old childhood home. Through one window, he could see a soft light shining. That had been his living room, where he had spent many happy, peaceful moments. Sweet music came to Soapy's ears and seemed to hold him there. So now, can you see, while coming towards his home, he came across a place that reminded him of his old childhood home and all the moments and memories he has about that, place. All are flashing back in his mind. Sweet music is coming to Soapy's ears, and now Soapy seems to be lost. The moon was above, peaceful and bright. There were few people passing. It's the night time now. Raat ho gayi hai. He could hear birds high above him, and the music that came from the room held Soapy there. The place from which the music was coming, it held Soapy's attention. Uska dhyan usi taraf laga hua tha. For he had known it well long ago, because that place was known to Soapy. It was related to his childhood. So the attention of Soapy was towards that place. In those days, his life contained such things as mothers and flowers and high hopes and friends and clean thoughts and clean clothes. There was a sudden and wonderful change in his soul. He saw with sick fear how he had fallen. Now he is realizing कि वो कितना change हो गया है. Why does he want to go to prison? वो इतना बदल कैसे गया? अब उसका जो मन है वो ये सारी चीजें सोच रहा है. और there is a change of heart of Soapy. Soapy का जो दिल दिमाग है वो there is a change of thought. He saw his worthless days, his wrong desires, his dead hopes, the lost power of his mind. Now he is realizing कि what he has been wishing is so bad. He is wishing to seek a place where he can get food and free of shelter. But actually, is this the thing that he always wanted? No. So he's feeling bad for his own self. And also, in a moment, his heart answered this change in his soul. He would fight to change his life. Now he's determined. He has changed his mind now. He wants to fight back. He would pull himself up out of the mud. He would make a man of himself again. वो दोबारा से अपनी जिंदगी शुरू करेगा, and he is a changed man now. There was time. He was young enough. He would find his old purpose in life and follow it. That sweet music had changed him. Look how music can be so powerful. Tomorrow he would find work. A man had once offered him a job. He would find that man tomorrow. He would be somebody in the world. वो भी दुनिया में कुछ बनेगा. He would be somebody. Somebody यानी कि हर व्यक्ति अपना नाम कमाता है वर्ल्ड में. उसको भी ऐसा बनना है. He would. Soapy felt a hand on his arm. Now while Soapy is thinking all about this, a hand is on his shoulder, on his arm. Somebody has kept a hand from his back on his arm. He looked quickly around into the broad face of a cop, and when he turned around, he saw that a cop is there. What are you doing hanging around here? Asked the cop. Nothing, said Soapy. You think I believe that? Said the cop. Full of his new strength, Soapy began to argue, and it is not wise to argue with a New York cop. Come along, said the cop. 3 months prison on Blackwell's Island, said the judge to Soapy next morning. So my children, this is the sad ending of Soapy. When Soapy almost realized, hearing the sweet music. Can you look at this illustration? The music is coming from this window, and Soapy is clearly drawn towards it, and But what happens with Sophie in the end is so sad.